laser-based security system. I got a LCD screen right here to tell us the status of our security system. And then I got two LEDs right there, also to show us our status, and two push buttons right there to enter a code into the LCD screen in the event that our security system is breached. Now what I have going on here is I have a 5 milliwatt red legal laser, and I am shining that at a receiving LED. Now I'm sure you all know how if you turn a motor, you generate a voltage. Well, the same thing happens to work with a LED. If I shine a red wavelength at this LED with my laser, I'm actually generating a voltage on the LED, and that is being received by my microcontroller and is interpreted as the security system isn't breached. So now here's a demonstration of how it works. If I breach the system, as you can see right there, security system is breached, and then we have this little LED to blink us to inform us that we need to enter the password. As you can see there, it says please enter password. Now we got these buttons here, and I'm going to enter the password on the buttons. Now I'm going to wait a little bit here, and as you can see, that red LED light came on, and that is to signify that we did not enter the password in time and that the alarm is going off. Now what I got over here is a 120 decibel alarm. I could have that hooked up to the board. However, right now it's kind of late at night, and I'd probably get kicked out of the building if I were to fire that thing up at midnight. So I'm not going to do that, but as you can see, the red LED is blinking for proof of concept. I probably need to extend the time to enter the password, but you get the idea. And so now if I hit the enter button with my password here, that should hopefully reset the system since I entered the correct password in. And again, it says laser system now activated. And as you can see, it's working again. Now you're probably thinking there might be a few flaws with this design, such as, say I wanted to bypass that little area on my desk, and so I grabbed another laser and shined it at the LED while I was going through the field. Well, one thing that I'm doing is I'm actually pulsing that laser. So I got another laser right here. I'm going to try to shine that at that laser, and as you can see, this laser turned off, and our security system is back to its breached status. Now I'm going to try to reset our system here, just with the power pin, because I don't want to have to re-enter that password again. Alright, there we are. And again, laser's system now activated, and there's an example of how it works. There's a scope probe that I got hooked up to the LED, and if we follow that back over here to our Rigel oscilloscope, as you can see, I'm actually sending it a PWM wave, and what it's doing is it's sampling both the high points and the low points in the wave. So if either isn't apparent within the given time interval, it'll trigger the alarm. So again, if we trigger it by shining a laser at it or trigger it by blocking it, either way, same result, the alarm goes off. We also have these buttons.